In this video, you'll learn how to find the gallery on your Pixel 9a device. By following these steps, you will be able to access and manage your media files effectively using the Google Photos app. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 9a. Once your device is unlocked, locate the Photos app on your home screen or within the app drawer. This app is essential as it serves as the gallery for your Pixel device. Tap on the Photos app on to open it. It is important to ensure that you are signed into your Google account, as this keeps your photos and videos synchronized across your devices. After launching the Photos app, you will see options like Library or Photos at the bottom of the screen. Tap on either of these options to access your media library. Here, your images and videos will be organized chronologically. You can scroll through your media, making it easy to find specific images. Additionally, albums are available to help you locate files like screenshots or downloaded images quickly. Utilizing the search bar at the top further simplifies the process of finding particular photos. When you find an image you want to view, tap on it to open it in full screen. This allows you to see the photo in greater detail. From this view, you have several options available. You can edit the image, share it with others, or delete it if necessary. To manage your files, look for the menu icon, which will provide options to create new albums or move images to different folders. Organizing your media in this way improves accessibility and enhances your overall experience. The Photos app replaces the traditional gallery function on Pixel devices, making it important to familiarize yourself with its features. You can also manage backup settings within the app, ensuring your photos are safely stored. Keeping your gallery organized not only helps in finding files quickly, but also enhances the overall efficiency of using your Pixel 9a. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.